Modifier is a powerful script designed to simplify your workflow in 3ds Max by streamlining object modifications. Here's what you need to know about this handy tool. 1. Easy-to-use interface. Link Modifier comes with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Its intuitive design ensures a seamless experience throughout the process. 2. Flexible modifier selection. With Link Modifier, you have the freedom to choose specific modifiers to copy from the source object. Whether it's a TurboSmooth, Bend, or any other modifier, simply select it and Link Modifier will handle the rest. 3. Instance parameter support. Need to link modifiers with specific instance parameters? Link Modifier has got you covered. You can easily select an instance parameter and apply it to all other selected objects, ensuring consistency in your scene. 4. Efficient categorization. Link Modifier is conveniently located in the Rust script category for quick access. Find it easily and integrate it into your workflow without any hassle. 5. Free to use. Yes, you read it right. Link Modifier is available for free. You can grab your copy from the provided link or check the comments section for further details. Boost your productivity, say goodbye to manual repetition, and embrace a faster, more efficient modeling process with Link Modifier.